there's a new installation for the 996 Apex Slinger. And actually, I'm gonna unbox this best we can in here with the video. It's actually from 9/11. I mentioned it on the channel. I purchased it from Carbone. Got a couple stickers. "9/11. Do you even shift, bro?" Pretty cool logo. This is actually the knob. It's a beautiful piece of wood. Very, very nice. And the shifter itself, maybe I should have got silver, but I thought the black might look nice. That's the shifting unit. Very nice. Can't wait to install it.